Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. I'm here with you in a new video. So in my last video, I taught you how to calculate a square of a number very quickly in just 3 steps. Okay. So today in that there was a limitation. We could do only few numbers, but today I have brought a very nice trick in which you can calculate the square of any number. Okay. So in this, we will be first seeing a 2-digit numbers. Okay, and then we will be seeing that another trick for calculating the square of 3-digit number. So let's get started. So let's take an example of 2-digit numbers and solve with me quickly. Okay, so suppose you have to calculate a square of 52. So what we have to do here is very quickly we can solve, friends. Just you have to keep in mind that 52, first you write the square of 2, which is 4, but we will be writing in a two digit form, so 04. Now you have to write the square of 5. Okay, square of 2 here, square of 5 here, so square of 5 is 25. Next step what we are going to do here is we will be doing 5 into number 1, number 2, and this number 3. All that numbers we will multiply. This will give you 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20 we will add here. Okay. We have to leave the first digit. So 4 0 7 2. This is the answer. So let's quickly solve one more problem. So for example, you have to calculate the square of 94. Okay. So same method we will be using here. Square of 94. Square of 4 we will be doing first. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 9, 81. Okay. Then 9 into 4 into 2 we have to do. 9 into 4 into 2. This will give 9 4s are 36. 36 into 2 is 72. So 72 we will add to this number. So 6, 3, and this is 8, 8. So 8836 is the square of 94. So you can see here in just 3-4 seconds we have I'm doing it slowly, but if you practice some more numbers, you can calculate a square of any 2-digit number very easily using this trick. Let's do one more problem, then we will move on to the 3-digit numbers. So another example I will be taking is let's say you have to calculate the square of 65. Okay, so 65 square is, first we'll take 5 square, which is 25, 6 square, which is 36. Now 6 into 5 is 30, 30 into 2 is 60. So 5 2 2 4, 4225 is the square of 4225. 4225 is the square of 65. Okay, now let us take a example of 3-digit number. 3-digit number is little different, friends. So we will see how to solve a 3-digit number, square of 3-digit number, and then we will solve some examples for that also. Okay, so first example I'll take for 3-digit number is let's say 114. So a square of 114. In this, what you have to do is we have to see what is the nearest number to this number which is having zeros. Okay, so we'll see the nearest is 100, right? So how do we get 100? We get 100 by subtracting 14. So when you get 100 by subtracting 14, you have to add 14 also to this digit. So see, 114 minus 14, we get 100, right? Multiplied with 114 plus 14 we will do, and we'll write here. So 114 plus 14, how much it will be? 128. Okay, friends. So this is the one expression. Now separately this 14, right? This 14 we will calculate, or if you remember you can directly also write. We'll calculate the square of 14 and we will write and keep. So square of 14 is 196. Okay, I'm writing directly. If you don't know, you can calculate 14 square using the previous method as well, which will give 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1. Okay, and 1 into 4 into 2 is 8. So this will be 8. So 6, 9, 1, 196. So using this method also we are getting 196. So 14 square I have done and I have kept it separately. Now in this expression what we have to do is we have to cancel this 0. So to cancel 100 I have divided by 100. Okay. Now how much ever 0 you are cancelling, you should see those many digits you can take from this square. Okay, 14 square 196. So cancelled. Now 1 into 128 is 128 only. Now I told you we have used two digits, so can take two digits. 96 we will take. But what about the 1? 1 we will be adding it here with 8. So final answer is 12996. This is the answer for 114 square. Okay. Let us take one other example, friends, in which I'll take a bigger number. So the another example will be, let's say 982. Okay. So we have to calculate the square of 982. In this, if you see, the nearest number is, 1000. Okay. So I'll write here 1000 into. Now how do we get 1000? So after adding how much I have added here. Okay, so I have added here 8 to 10. Okay, and then here 28, isn't it? 28 if I add to 82 will get 1000. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, and not 28, friends, sorry, 18. Okay, and then 8 plus 2 is 10 again, and 9 plus 1. Yes. So 18 if we add we get 1000. Now same thing we have to subtract. So in the previous one you saw we subtracted and then we did addition. Here we are doing addition and subtraction. So it is either ways. You can go to the nearest, okay, 0 digit either towards left side. See here for this 100 is less than 114. And the nearest is, let's say, 200, which is greater than 114. So if you are going towards the next nearest digit, you will be adding, but if you are going towards left hand side, you will be subtracting. Here we are going to the next nearest right hand side, so we have added. So then this for the obtaining the next digit we will be doing subtraction. Okay. So here for obtaining 128, we have done addition. No, here we will do subtraction. So now we have to subtract 18 from 982. Okay. So this 12 minus 8 is 4. This becomes 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. And this is 9 only. So it becomes 964, friends. Okay. 964. So, and we have to cancel 0. So we have to cancel 0. I will be using 1000. Okay. Now, as I told you, here 14 square we have done, right? So similarly, 18 square we will calculate and we will keep it here separately. So 18 square is, if you remember, you can write directly, or using the previous method, you can calculate. So 18 square is 8 square. 8 square is 64. 1 square is 1. And then 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So 16 we will add. We leave one digit and we add, right? So 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2. And this is 3. 324. So 18 square is 324. Now if you see 3 0 we have and 3 digits here. So we can take the entire digit. So let's cancel this. This is gone. So we can write here 964 and 324. This is the square of 982. Okay, friends. Now you can say that 140, 982, these are the numbers which is close to this one, which is close to this zeros. Okay. So let us take another example which is actually kind of in between, mid of the this 100 or 1000, and then we will see how to calculate that. but this method works on any number. You can calculate the square of any number using this method. Okay, so I'll just quickly erase this, friends. Okay, and I'll take another example. Another example is, let's say you take 642. So 642 is in between, right? Close to 650, right? So 642, if you take, how to calculate the square of 642 without using 642 into 642, without this method. We will not use this method. We will use this method itself. So here the closest number is, I will take 600. You can take 700 also. So 600. Okay. Now to get 600, what did I do? I have subtracted 42, right? So here I will add 42, isn't it? So 642 minus 42 becomes 600. Now 642 plus 42 will become 684. 684 it will become. Now 42 square I have to calculate and keep it. 42 square quickly I can calculate using this method. So this becomes 2 square is 4. So we will write in 2-digit form always. 4 square is 16. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. So 16 I will add here. So this becomes 4, 6, 7, 1. So 1764 is the square of 42. Okay. Now here what we have to do is we have to cancel the 0. So to cancel the 0, I will divide by 100. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. You can see here, friends, I have used 2 zeros. Since I have used 2 zeros, I am supposed to take only 2 digit out of it. Okay. So now what is there is 6 into 684. Till now we were getting 1, so we could easily write. But this also not a big problem. We can easily multiply 6 into 684 and we will write this. So 6 4s are 24. 2, 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2, 50, 0, 5. 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 5, 41. This is the multiplication. Now in this, since we can take only 2 digits, 64. What about the remaining 2 digits? Remaining 2 digits will be added here. Okay. So this becomes 4, 6. 7 plus 4 is 11, and here one carry forward, so this becomes 2, 1, 4. 4, 1, 2, 1, 6, 4 is the square of 642. Okay, so hope this is clear to you all, friends. Okay, very soon we will meet in the next video, and if you like these tricks, please like to my video, share with your friends also, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.